close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I have a brand new subscription box that I just subscribed to, and I was kind enough to be contacted by the owner of this company to get my first box sent free. So I get to review it for you guys, which I thought was really awesome. It is See New, the skincare box. It's either a bi-monthly or a quarterly subscription, and they go from January to February. That's what this box is here. Then they do March and April. So you're either going to get it every other month or 4 times a year, and it's the same price. It's about $52 for this box. I don't know if it's always that amount or not, but that's what this box is. So it's all about skincare. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of excited about this because of the recent drama. You know how we all get subscription boxes, and I love my Boxycharm. You know, I'm not so crazy about Ipsy right now, but you get a mixture of skincare products and you get a mixture of makeup. And sometimes, you know, we'll use what we have. You guys remember way back when I did my video on skincare, I showed you guys some of the tips for large pores and different things and textured skin and all of that, and how I got rid of it by using what I had available, which was in my subscription boxes, things that I had picked up at the store, all that stuff. Well, when they reached out to me and gave me a code to get my first box for free, I thought, I gotta try this. I really gotta try this. I want to do a review on it, and for several reasons. One, because I'm so cautious about what I put on my skin, especially recently. I've been paying attention to everything I put on my face. And for $52, even though this is my first box and it's free, it looks like you're getting at least, if not a 30 to 60 day supply of skincare. So I thought, for that price, and this is how it came. It came with a really cute note with my name on it, which was super sweet. And then it came with a card with all of the products. The prices weren't listed, so I looked them up. And then I also wanted to see who they were collaborating with this month, because this skincare company is located, or the subscription box company, See New, is located in the United States, and they did a collaboration with Clean and Dirty, which comes out of Massachusetts, and they are a clean skincare line, a natural skincare line. So I was like, oh, okay, $52 a month every other month. I've been thinking about canceling Ipsy. That's $25 a month, and I'm getting products that are from different places, which are sometimes okay, but if I know exactly what I'm getting and these work for me, I could get rid of Ipsy and focus on my other subscription boxes, Fashionsta, whatever, for makeup, Boxy, and maybe save a few bucks and get my skincare directly sent to me through this company. And I think that that might work out well. So what I did was, I tried these products. I tried every one but one product, and I'm going to go through them with you. Clean and Dirty, they gave me what they call the new Romantic Exfoliating Rose Cleansing Stick, okay? And that was a $32 value. So I used this, and it's a very creamy stick. I used it in the shower. I liked the scent. It's the ingredients. I can read them. There's not a whole lot in some of these, and I'll put them on the screen for you, but I was quite shocked. So let me open this and show you what it looks like. It almost looks like a roll-on deodorant. Mine is going to be a little bit messy because I used it. It's got the cap, but this is what it looks like here. It smells just fine. A lot of these products have essential oils in them. I will put the ingredients on the screen. Like I said, turmeric is in a lot of these products as well. Let's go to the next one. Some of them have aloe though, so if you're allergic to aloe, this is a particular box you are going to want to pass on because most of these have aloe in it. They've also got a natural skincare. This is for dull and congested skin. We all know that means that clogged pores, all that stuff. Freshly peeled. This is a treatment right here. That's what they call it. Freshly peeled. It helps peel dull, tired, and congested skin. It resurfaces to heal acne, reverse damage, and reduce texture to reveal youthful, glowing skin. Used 2 times a week after cleansing. Okay, this one had a $60 value, and they're all full-size products. I checked that against their website as well. I just really wanted to make sure that the subscription box was giving me the right information about these products and their prices, and it matched up to Clean and Dirty's website. So I was happy with that. So this is a product you would use twice a week. Okay, then they give you a mask. This mask here has turmeric in it, carrot seed oil, and it's a clay, but it was not a drying clay. I did put it on for 15 minutes. It dried down. It definitely brightened up my skin a bit. Turmeric is very, very good for your skin. I've actually used at-home masks, which takes some time to make, but you can do that as well if you're into using homemade masks or DIY or all that stuff. But I do like the idea of having it right here available and ready. And this is something you'd use 2 times a week as well. So the cleanser you could use every day, which is this here. And then you have these 2 treatments that you would use 2 times a week. Then you've got your toner. This is a glass. These are glass bottles, except for, well, they're not all, some of them are glass bottles. Okay, Clean and Dirty Hot Shot Toner, they call it. It's got aloe, cucumber water, and lemon and orange essential oils to balance your skin before moisturizing. Again, I told you guys, if you've got stuff that has cucumber in it, cucumber is very, very good for your skin. Aloe, all of those things, they're healing. They help your skin heal. So it does help balance out your skin tone. I've used these products before. Not these particular ones, but I've used what's in the ingredients. I've used those. So I do know that they work. And I did use this. It was a spray, so I sprayed it on my face. And then I took a cotton pad and wiped it off. And then I put on, again, if you've got dry skin, guess what, guys? They've got an oil right here. Luxury Anti-Aging Oil. Moisturize. This here was not greasy. That's what it looks like. I took a few drops, put it on my skin, and immediately followed after that, I put on my Tarte Timeless or Poreless, Timeless, whatever that is. I always get that name wrong. I put on that primer, and then I put on my makeup. And my makeup, it went on really, really smooth. It really did. I guess I used all of these, like I said. I guess with pairing up the combination of these, maybe that's what made the difference. Sorry, interruption. Okay, so back to my skin. My skin, nothing felt drying. Nothing felt greasy. It really helped even out my skin tone, and my makeup went on super smooth. So far I'm liking it. I can see myself using this every day to see what more changes I can get out of it. You guys know me. I am like a skincare buff. I'm 41 years old. I need good skincare. I do not want to, if I can help from aging, I really would prefer not to, or at least age gracefully, right? So with mature skin, and even if you didn't have mature skin, I mean, what's the harm in putting good stuff on your face and preventing it? I did start using skincare products at 25. And now more so than ever, like I said, I'm really into being careful what I put on my face. So I would have to definitely recommend this. I did go on the website, their website, New Skin, and I saw that they still do have January and February boxes available. I'm not sure how many they have left, but I did see that, and I did total up the value of this box, and it was $186 for all of these products, which again, I compared to the website of Clean and Dirty, and those were the prices. These were the exact size products that they do sell individually. And they do have a code. It's not anything for me. Mind you that this video is not sponsored. These opinions are my own. This box was sent to me for free for me to try, for me to review for you guys. But I do not make anything off of this. I do not make anything off. I do not have a code for you guys. I don't make a commission, nothing like that. This is just my opinion using these products with this new subscription company. I don't think they've been out for too long. I'm not sure exactly how long, but they do have a code that comes in the card. It's a general code, CNEW15, that you guys can use if you are interested in doing this. This subscription, like I said, is either bi-monthly or it's quarterly. And it's something that you can put on hold, you can stop, you can pause it, all of those things. So it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you are concerned about what you're putting on your skin. Some of the ingredients only had a few ingredients in it, and mostly essential oils. Like that right there, I was like, oh, if this stuff works, like, yay. And I have to say, I am very pleased after using these products one time. I was like, oh, so excited when I got the box in the mail today. I was like, yay, but I was like, I need to use it. I was like, I need to use this stuff because I can show you guys all day long. You know, yes, this looks great. You know, it smells great. You know, this is what's inside it. But overall, does it work too? Yes, they did. They definitely brightened my skin. I do not have any dryness. I do not have any oily patches. Nothing like that. My skin actually feels really, really good, soft. My makeup went on really smooth, and I like it. So I will continue to use it, and I am going to continue this subscription. So now that I am signed up and I've gotten my free box, I will be billed quarterly, and I will be getting whatever collaboration they do next time. So I will be able to update you on that. So sorry, Ipsy, I think I'm replacing you. Girls gotta love skincare. Anyhow, if you have any questions or if there's something that maybe you want to know about this that I have not answered, put them in the comments below. Let me know if this is something that you would try. I am definitely curious to see, you know, how you guys are with your skincare, what you're using on your mature skin. Are you opening to trying new products? Do you prefer clean products over the ones that are on the market? All of those things, let me know that. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel. I do a lot of eye looks are my main thing. I love doing eyeshadow looks. I love talking about skincare, and I do a few unboxings. And once in a while we'll do a story time or an ingredient list or something else. But definitely, if this is something that you're interested in, all beauty related, then this is the place you might want to be. So definitely hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload. Yes, Karen, the kids back there. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear them, but I can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, a few giveaways going on. I'll put them in the description box. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.